Here are 7 best smart home purchases of 2026, the definitive list. Let us get straight into it. Number 1. Smart speaker. The gateway to voice control and smart home integration. Echo Dot and Nest Mini under $30. Never been better value. Buy one for every room. You'll regret not doing it sooner. Price, around $30. Number 2. Smart Plug 4-pack. The highest ROI purchase in smart home, by far. Turns any dumb device into a smart one for $8 each. Energy monitoring, plus scheduling, plus remote control all in one. Price, around $30. Number 3. Smart Bulb Starter Kit. 3 color bulbs transform any room with scenes and automation. Works with every voice assistant and mobile app out of the box. Govee, IKEA, or Sangolade. All excellent at this price. Price, around $25. Number 4. Smart Motion Sensor. Auto lights in every room, the highest daily impact edition. Aqara P1 is the best value Zigbee sensor on the market. Hallway, bathroom, and bedroom. 3 sensors change your daily life. Price, around $18. Number 5. Smart Thermostat. Pays for itself in under 1 year through energy savings. Nest or Ecobee, both excellent and deeply supported in 2026. The one purchase that literally saves you money every month. Price, around $100. Number 6. Video Doorbell. See your front door from anywhere in the world. Package theft prevention, visitor management, delivery confirmation. Ring Doorbell 4 or Eufy, both excellent at this price point. Price, around $100. Number 7. Smart Lock. Never be locked out, never forget to lock up again. Auto lock and guest codes change how you manage your home. Yale or August, both excellent and widely compatible in 2026. Price, around $130. These 7 purchases form the foundation of any smart home in 2026. Thank you for watching Automate Everything. Follow for daily tips. Follow for a new smart home tip every day.